Sagada Pottery.
Set up in 2000 by Archie Stapleton, anak ng missionary na lumaki dito noong 1960s. Nakita niya ang potential ng local clay and the local soil for pottery, kaya niya ito sinet up as an alternative livelihood for the community. Pottery has three kinds, may earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Ang earthenware low-fired, inyong paso-paso, lutuan na ginagawa sa biga. Ang stoneware and porcelain ay high-fired, we specialize in stoneware. We fire at 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, kunin namin yung clay, test sa temperature na yon. Pag okay po siya, we get it involved, soak it in water, salayin namin until it goes through 40 mesh. Pag lumabas po doon, very watery, we have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks, it will look like this. Hindi po pulutin doon, at pwede na dito, kailangang i-test cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. Kamay ko ang mag-control sa clay, not the clay controlling my hands to keep the shape for it not to collapse. Ito po ang basic shape. From here, you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right now, mas malakas yung pressure sa loob na kamay. Tinutulak ko palabas to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down. Then outwards again at the top to make a flower vase. Pwede pang in-narrow down dito to enhance the shape if needed be. Para maging sexier siya. Sana pwede sa tao, no? Ipaikot lang dito. Pwede rin maging pichel, paglagyan ng nguso na ganyan. Yan lang po ang kaya kong pakita sa inyo ngayon. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom. Do anything that will enhance the beauty. Then we dry it for 1 month. Air dry lang po. Ilagay sa oven for 10 hours of firing. Wait for it to cool down. Ilabas po namin, applyan na siya ng glaze. Ang glaze yung nagbibigay kulay at nagpapakintab. Pero hindi lalabas sa pan-application like paint. Kailangang iluto ulit ng another 10 hours of glaze firing para ma-finish siya. Kaya safe siya for food containers. They're microwavable. The color doesn't fade. Anyone for a hands-on? Sinong gustong mag-try? Ikaw lang yan. Kanina pa ito nanonood eh. Pull it apart to widen. Widen. Release your hands. Good job. Wet your hands. I'll assist you. Air. Pasensya na at malamig ha. Namnamin mo lang kasi libre ang lamig dito. Gently and slowly slide up. Sa Manila, binabayaran ang lamig kasi. Ang mahal-mahal pa. Hold. Hold. Release your hands. One more time. Gently and slowly slide up. You're making a cylinder which is a basic shape. Slide up lang, fill the clay, slide up. Hold it there, release. That's the basic shape. The beginner shape is a bowl. So make a bowl, ipupush ng left, straighten. Tip your thumb, push with this part, not with your fingertips. From the bottom, gently push. Slide up slowly until the tip of the clay. Until the tip. Hold it there to balance. Release. Relax your right. Straighten this. Itong mag-push, not the fingertips. From the bottom, ikaw lang mag-isa. Push gently. Gawin mo yung ginawa natin. Push. Slide up. Up. Push and slide up. Slide up. Until the tip, please. Until the tip. Slide up. Sige, akyat. Akyat. Hanggang sa pinakataas. And then, when you get to the top, you hold it to balance. Release. Oh, malapit ng pang ramen. Isa pa. Hold. Push out. Out pa. Out pa. Hold. Hold. Release your hands. Good job. I'll just assist you for you to see how far the clay can go. Long and slow. Slide up. Slide up until the tip. Hold it there to balance. Ayan, meron ka ng pang ramen. Release. You like the touch of clay?
Iyon na.
Gusto mo? Flat hands,
Huli
photo
na
with
na
your
tayo ni, huli ni Nana.
masterpiece. Flat hands. Photo, flat hands.
Picture mo dito na.
Picture mo. Tayo ka dito na. Dito, ayan, dyan muna.
House na battery. Ito yung mga ginawa ko. Come here.
Gawan to sa kanya ang tajuda.
Oo, siguro po.
Itong ginawa
Kasi
ko.
babayaran nyo naman po eh.
Since ano pa to? Nung bata
Mabasag
pa
mo
ako.
yun ah.
Nung bata pa ako, 2020 yan. Simula
Bata
nun.
2020.
Bata pa ako nun. Ito, simula kayo, tumanda na ako.
Ibagyabag.
Ito yung nagawa ko ngayon. Ito yan, mga collection yan. Ito. Kapit dito. Kapit.
Mm-mm.
Kapit. Ito, ginawa ko to. Yung buhay pa yung tatay ko. Ito to. Yan. Ano pa to eh. Sinuulang panahon pa yan. Bata pa ako nun. Bata pa kayo to yan. Ginawa ko to. Simula nung nag-asawa ako. Yan.
Sinungaling kasi iba-iba yung kwento.
Edit mo video nga. Edit mo nga. Edit mo video.